Ladies and gentlemen, today topic is about leadership and team management. Without team is no leader, and without leader is no team. Today's effective leaders must have the capability and confidence to build and develop focused and motivated teams that deliver outstanding operational performance in line with the strategic goals of the organization. This course highlights the processes and techniques leaders have at their disposal to develop their effectiveness and maintain top team performance. Leadership and team management are two commonly used words in today's organization. The course derives its roots from the basics of organizational management. In order to build a strong footing for learning of the concepts of leadership and team management, we need to understand the concept of organization. What is an organization? An organization is a deliberate arrangement of people to accomplish some specific purpose goals. Deliberate means careful arrangement of people to accomplish, achieve, or completely successfully some specific purpose goals. For example, hospital, profit and non-profit organization, hotels, university, etc. Next is the organization share three common characteristics. First is each has a distinct purpose. Second is each is composed of people. Third is each develops some deliberate structure so members can do their work. Another way to look into this is, although these characteristics are important in defining what an organization is, the concept of an organization is changing. These differences include flexible work arrangements, employee work teams, open communication systems, and supplier alliances. Organizations are becoming more open, flexible, and responsive to changes. Third is organizations are changing because the world around them has changed and is continuing to change. The societal, economic, global, and technological changes. D is the organizations are working in a dynamic environment and are responsible to different stakeholders, which can be employees, customers, suppliers, competitors, government, etc. Next is the challenges. Challenges. Organizations are subject to different challenges. These challenges may be in the form of new trend in the business, changing in the working environment, or technology, etc. Every organization has some social entities and some goals for achieving desired outcomes. And for achieving these goals, organization has specific structures, and most important is to link with the external environment. They are not operating in isolation but in a dynamic environment. Organization is not operating in isolation. Remember it. The most important entity in any organization is the people, the employees of the organization, who make the organization different from the other organization. The people of the organization are very important and they work in the organization as different group teams. For example, admin, finance, marketing, and human resource, technical, etc. I hope you understand in this topic of subject leadership and team management, and topic is the leadership and team management. Without team is no leader, without leader is no team. Then I told you leadership and team management, two commonly used words in organization. Then I will tell you what is an organization and their common characteristics, and then I told you about challenges of organization. Thank you.